In this video, I'm going to show you how to put text behind an object in Premiere Pro. Okay, to begin, I added a background clip to my timeline as well as a text clip on the track above that. First, select your background clip and then, while holding down the Alt key on your keyboard, drag it under the track above your text clip to make a duplicate. Next, go over to the Effects panel and type Color key into the search box. Drag the effect onto your top clip. You just duplicated it. Now, in Effect Controls under Color key, click the Color dropper and select your background in the preview. Then increase the color tolerance until you can see your text. And you may want to adjust the edge thin a bit to get a more clean result. Okay, this worked pretty well, but if you notice any artifacting around your text, you may need to increase the tolerance a little more. All right, I think this looks great now. So, as always, thanks for watching and see you next time.